Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody, 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 everybody.
Yung tipong gusto mo pa lamang mag-aral magsundalo, kaya ganito ang ginawa mo.
Bakit ka like?
Hey, sorry, I'm late, sir.
Kaliwa sa kanan. Kaliwa sa right.
Yung idol na idol mo si Tarzan, kaya ginaya mo lahat ng ginagawa niya. Kuya naman kasi, bakit hindi ka gumilid kay ate? Ay, ganito ba dapat ang tamang pag-harvest ng pakwan? Ito yung tipong feel na feel mo yung pag-skateboard mo, kaya lang pumalpak ka.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of...
Mapapakanta ka na lang talaga ng Nothing Can Beat You at Holidays.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
Kaya ayoko kumain ng fried chicken eh. Sumasama pati yung ngipin.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your flight attendant speaking from the cabin of Flight 726 bound to beautiful Vienna. As we begin our initial descent, I'd like to take a moment to thank you for flying with us today. It's been our absolute pleasure having you on board. Before we land, please double check that your seatbelt is secured, fastened, or seat is upright and your tray table is stowed. All electronic device should be...
Yung narinig mo ang Gina pa-premyo sa palaro na lalaruin nyo. Si kuya naman, grabe kung magpa-cute kay ate. Yung gusto mo lang naman magpalaki ng katawan, kaya nga lang hindi nakisama yung iyong hawakan. Ibang Doraemon naman ata ang napanood ko ngayong umaga.
Ano naman ba problema mo, Kubita? Doraemon, buti na lang dumating ka. Meron akong problema eh. Ano ba yon? Hindi ako makagamit. Gusto sana itong tulungan, baka gamitin mo lang sa kalokohan. Hindi, Doraemon, promise. Tulungan mo na ako. Sige na nga. Ang pinagbabawal na panggamit. Hala, ano naman ang isang yan, Doraemon? Makakagamit ka na. Ayun, salamat, Doraemon. Huwag kang sasobra, baka di ka makatulog. Okay. Hulog ka talaga ng lupa, Doraemon.
Yung inutusan ka ng nanay mo na maglagay ng asin, pero loko-loko ka nga lang.
Kasi mo sigarong kaya.
Boss! Pwede magtanong? Pwede magtanong?
Pwede po.
Damat.
Doget man.
Mantap.
Itampi
Oh, na.
Feel mo? Feel mo na.
Po si Batman. Kinapos. Nagbibenta na lang ng yero. Kinapos sa buhay si Batman. Nagbibenta ng yero niya sa bahay.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200. Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions.